स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एक एक्टिविटी करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें हम फ्रिक्शन और टाइप ऑफ फ्रिक्शन के बारे में जानेंगे। यह मैंने एक बॉक्स यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है, ठीक है। इस बॉक्स को मैं पुश कर रहा हूँ, फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ। तो वी आर सीइंग द टू बॉडीज आर इंटरेक्टिंग ईच अदर, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दिस टेबल इज अप्लाइंग द force against this box, ठीक है। तो we can say when the opposite force is applied by the table, that is called frictional force. Same condition we can follow here. I apply the matchstick, rub on the surface of matchstick. This is matchstick and this is matchbox. I apply the force and rub the matchstick on this box. We can see because of rubbing this matchstick on the matchbox, it is started burning. It means when the matchstick rub on the surface, because of the friction, it produce heat. Okay. Now come to the concept again. When the two bodies interact to each other, they interlock. And by applying the force, the against force is applying, that is called frictional. Because of that, heat is produced. Clear, student? Now we understand some type of frictional force. This is slanting surface. I put this cast on this slanting surface. You can observe it. It is slowly rolling off the surface. Clear? Now again, I show it. It is coming from the upside to the downside. So this wheel is rolling. This wheel is rolling. The force by this slanting surface apply in against side.
Sliding friction.
That is called sliding friction. Okay. Same example I will show you by this ball. Now I leave this ball from this side. It is slowly rolling, and the surface apply the force against this rolling ball. That is called rolling friction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I take another example. This is scale. I put in the scale on the top of this sliding surface. Now I slowly leave it. It is going towards the ground. Okay. But in this condition, what happens? We see it is sliding. It is not rolling like a ball.
It is sliding.
This is sliding. Apply the force against this sliding object. That is called sliding
Friction.
Okay, clear, student? Now I show you one more example. Toy aeroplane. When we leave this toy aeroplane in air, it is going towards you. Here is the medium of air. This air is applying the force against this flowing aeroplane. This is air is called fluid. This fluid apply the force against this flying aeroplane. This is called fluid friction. You can observe it. Okay. Thank you, students.